Let's talk about some of these non-legal or practical considerations in filing Chapter 11. Do you find that a lot of people who come to your office are very fearful or worried?
A lot of people have a lot of misconceptions about Chapter 11. You know, a lot of people think it's a four-letter word. Well, I think it's a good four-letter word. I think it's a tool that you can use. But since people don't understand it, they're worried that it will harm their personal credit. They're worried that it will somehow affect their life or they won't be successful at it. And so if you can get someone to understand the process, but also listen to them and really listen to what's bothering them. Maybe it's not that they're worried about whether the business will survive or not, but maybe they're worried really about what a Chapter 11's effect will be on their family. You know, what's it going to do to their children? What's it going to do to their friends?
Let me ask you about a couple. And I think you're touching on some things here that maybe you and I have learned even since you've been with me. I'm an old dude, so to speak, and been doing this for 40 years, but I think we've both learned in the last few years. Example, the lady who was in the other day, and I asked her concerns, and she said, we've made a lot of money, we've lost a lot of money, but the only thing I care about is I need to pay my tuition for my child to go to state college next year. Another lady comes in and says, same thing. We've made it and we've lost it, but my mother lives in a house and she's 82 years old and I own the house and I can't let my mother know about it. That's my concern. So I think you're saying the same thing. What we are doing on our part is to listen more to these people who are talking to us as clients about what their concerns are. Is that a fair statement?
My best client is the client who tells me that they're concerned about their 82-year-old mother living in their house and not losing that house. If I don't know what you're really concerned about, I can't help you.
What you're saying then is that you're as interested in what the client says to you as what you're able to tell the client about Chapter 11. Is that right?
Right. When I meet with my clients and we start the process, we become a team. So we need to know all of the information and we need to know what your concerns are so that we can fix not only the problems the business may have, but also how those issues are affecting other areas of your life. Because if you're still worried about what's going to happen to your family, your mental energy is still not focused on your business.